Today we're going to perform a transplant. And no, I'm not talking about organ transplants. I'm definitely not qualified for that. What I am talking about is lettuce transplants. You want to know why, when, and how. In this video, I'm going to give you the answers to those questions. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give a live demo, so stick around for that. Why don't I just direct seed and let it grow? The problem with that is lettuce eventually gets old, it bolts, you have to replace it. By transplanting it, I always have lettuce on the go. So instead of waiting for a long time to get a harvest, I'm actually getting it fairly regularly. If you look at the lettuce, you can see it's getting around to the edge of the container. I can tell that it's getting root bound when I see it like that, and now's a good time to transplant the lettuce. Before I do that, I just want to show you, I have the container ready. I've already put potting mix in it. And just so you know, I have tried larger containers and this size container. And to be honest, I haven't seen a big difference in terms of how large the lettuce grows. So I prefer to use this size because it's a smaller container and I have more space to work with. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to make an area to actually put the transplant in ahead of time. So I'm just pushing it down. I'll put it down for a sec. And now I'm going to grab my tool. You can use a spoon if you like and you don't have the tool. So I'm just going to scoop it out here. Okay, here's my lettuce transplant. And I'm going to stick it in that hole I just made. I'm pushing it down. Throwing the potting mix on top. Now I'm just going to add some water to it. Let it soak in, get a good amount of water in there for the lettuce. And there you have it. We've completed the lettuce transplant. So I have a question for you. Have you ever tried transplanting lettuce before? And would you like to try it now that you've seen this video? Love to hear your answers in the comments. And if you like this video, please like. If you're interested in more content like this, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and we'll see you next time.